In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a document to an email in Google Drive. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top left corner and click the Compose button to start a new email. A new message window will appear. At the bottom of this email window, look for the Google Drive icon labeled Insert Files using Drive. Click this icon to open your Google Drive file browser. A pop-up window will appear showing your Google Drive files. From here, you can select the document or files you want to attach. You can browse through the My Drive tab to find files stored in your drive, or you can switch to the Recent tab if you want to quickly locate files you recently opened or edited. Once you find the file you want to send, click on it to select it. For inserting the file into your email, look at the bottom right corner of the window where you can choose how the file will be sent. You will see two options. The first option is Drive Link. This sends the file as a cloud link and is usually the best option for Google Docs, Google Sheets, or larger files stored in your drive. The second option is Attachment. This sends an actual copy of the file along with the email. This option works for non-Google files such as PDFs, Word documents, or images that are under the standard email attachment size limit. Choose the option that fits your needs, then confirm your selection to insert the file into your email. If you choose to send the file as a Drive link, Gmail may display a prompt after you click Send asking you to update the sharing permissions. This ensures that the recipient will be able to access the file. In that prompt, you can select permissions such as anyone with the link or recipients of this email. You can also choose the access level, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. After choosing the appropriate permissions, click Send to complete the email. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.